Hey kids, welcome to English class. Today, let's learn a new lesson from Unit 6. Before we start this lesson, let's go through the different means of transportation. There are three means of transportation available. They are land transportation, air transportation, and water transportation. All the vehicles that move on land come under land transportation, and all the vehicles that fly through air come under air transportation. And all the vehicles that can run on water or in water come under water transportation. Let's go through a few examples of land transportations. Trucks, cars, buses, trains are all some examples of land transport. Ships, boats, submarines, and speedboats are some examples of water transport. Now, some examples of air transport are aeroplane, helicopter, hang glide, etc. Now, today we are going to learn a lesson on trains, which is one of the cheapest and most popular forms of land transportation. Now, today we are going to learn about one of the most popular and cheapest means of land transport, which is trains. The title of the lesson that we are going to learn today is also Trains. Trains is a poem written by James S. Tippett. This poem is included in Unit 6 of your Marigold English Reader. James Tippett was born in the year 1885 and passed away in 1958. He was an American educator and children's writer. Now let's begin the poem. Trains. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars, all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Now let's read the poem once again. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, thousands of freight cars all rushing on. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Now the summary of the poem Trains. As the title of the poem implies, this poem is about trains, which is one of the cheapest and most popular means of land transportation. Through this poem, the poet James S. Tippett highlights the importance and usefulness of trains in our day-to-day life. Trains go over distant places, be it over mountains, rivers, or plains, to carry passengers to their destination. Freight trains are used to transport goods or parcels and letters from one place to another. They run throughout day and night and form an indispensable means of land transportation. By working round the clock without fail, the railways are committed to serve the public in all possible ways. Now it is time for us to go through the new words and their meanings. The first word is mountain, and it means a large steep hill. The usage of the word mountain is Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. The second new word is passengers, and it means travelers, riders, or commuters. The usage of the word passengers is the passengers waited eagerly for the train. The third new word is river, and it means a large water body. Using the word river, I have framed the sentence. They went on a boating trip in the Narmada River. The fourth new word is precious, and it means valuable. Using the word precious, I have framed the sentence. These gold bangles are valuable. The fifth new word is mail, and it refers to letters and parcels sent by post. Here is the usage of the word mail. Trains carry mails from one place to another. The sixth new word is plains, and it means large area of flat land. The sentence using the word plains is the plains are best suited for agriculture. The seventh new word is dusk, and it means the time before night. Using the word dusk, I have framed the sentence. At dusk, the sky gets a beautiful orange color. The last new word is dawn, and it means the time between night and morning. The usage of the word dawn is every day I wake up before dawn and go for a walk. So, children, here we have discussed the new words, their meanings, and usage. Now, let's discuss the question and answers, which is included in the section Reading is Fun. There are 4 questions in this section. Let's discuss them one by one. The first question here is, where do the trains run? And the answer for this question is, the trains run over the mountains, plains, and rivers. The second question given here is, what are the precious loads that they carry? Here the answer is, the passengers, letters, and parcels are the precious loads carried by the trains. Moving on to the third question, when do the trains run? Here the answer is, the trains run throughout day and night. The fourth and the last question is, what is dusk and dawn? The answer for this question is, dusk is the time of day immediately after sunset, whereas dawn refers to the first light of the day. Children, here we have come to the end of this session. Hope you enjoyed this poem. Thank you for watching.